The electrostatic precipitator, designed for commercial kitchens, eliminates grease and smoke particles with an exceptional performance. This eco-friendly solution eliminates the use of disposable filters and reduces maintenance costs through washable stainless steel filters. A drain is located at the bottom of each section for easy maintenance. Inside, we find one section with a pre-filter allowing uniform air distribution towards a filtration cell section. The filtration cells are activated by a power supply block transmitted via a spring rod connected to an isolator located in the door of each section. The power supply aims to transmit power to the filtration cells via ionization rods installed in the center of the cylinder. During operation, the grease particles are electrically charged by the ionization rod in order to be collected on the walls of the cell's cylinders, which are grounded. Pre-filters are only required at the unit's entrance, so additional sections contain only a cell filter section. The final section may contain activated carbon filters that filter odors and thus allow an installation that meets high construction standards.